decided to say Malaysia, let's make a change in the film. To research and confirm that this is their World War II plane. As creative individual or professionals, let's say you go internationally, collected back $109 million.
The trailer, wow. First thing, wow, because at first glance, like I wouldn't think that it was a Malaysian movie because it was quite well produced from what you would see from other like Malaysian productions, and I'm really quite impressed with the amount of diversity that the movie brought. It wasn't, because when you see like normally Malaysian movies, it's either just like if it's Malay made, then it's full of Malay actors. If it's Chinese made, then it's just full of Chinese actors. This one was it was like a really nice breath of fresh air because it didn't just showcase maybe one part of like Malaysia's like ethnicity. It had all of them in it, and I feel that that's actually one thing that really impressed me about like the movie, and the fact that it also incorporated a lot of like very interesting elements. Like such as like horror, but in a very, I don't know how to say, like in a very Western but with a Malaysian take on it. So it's very interesting. I mean, I'd like to see it when it comes out, whenever it comes out in theaters. And I think, you know, as Malaysian, we should try to support local productions more often. I mean, despite all the stereotypes, we might think what Malaysia has to offer, and from this I can tell that like we do have a lot of things to offer, and we should all just give it a try.
没有想到就是从这个讲座会可以了解到 Redboy 有在马来西亚有宣导那么多电影，就学到有很多不同特效之类这样的东西。
对于这次讲座，然后我学到对 film business 的 knowledge， 还有关于整个影视制作的那些知识这样子。然后对于这一次的 trailer， 我觉得马来西亚人也可以拍出这样子的影片出来。然后因为大多数马来西亚人都觉得影视制作在马来西亚是没有办法去到像国外这样好的发展，所以希望马来西亚公民不要有这样子的想法。其实马来西亚也很多人才，还有很多有才华的人，所以我们马来西亚也可以拍出像国外这样子的影片。
从我刚刚看的那个 trailer， 我的感想是觉得，原来马来西亚也可以做到那么好的一个电影，然后他也 impress 到我，那个马来西亚的电影原来那么好看。
我的名字叫 Eric， 之前我是来自Tunku Abdul Rahman College 的，现在我在这里的 position 是一个 lecturer。是一个 film production 的 lecture。今天Redboy 的分享其实让我们知道了，其实我们的本地的 local 的一些 movie industry 呢，其实还有很多可以成长的空间。也让我们知道了其实我们的 film industry 其实还有很大的未来，可以希望是在 creative 界的很多学生可以明白。他们可以参与这个 film industry 来把这个我们的 Malaysia 的 film 拉起来，会变成更加更好。